So I have these three contour products from Danessa Myricks. The dog's excited to eat, and that's very noisy. And also this Duet Balm. Sorry, I have on blush. I have on the Fenty Cheek Style blush in what is it, Drama Class, the purple one. And then I have on some, kind of interesting eye makeup. Because I was like, it's focused on cheeks, but like the eyes need to look a little interesting. So I got the Vision Cream Cover sample size, and I got it in the shade N8. And I'm hoping that'll make a nice cream bronzer. And then okay, this is the shade. It definitely will make a nice light bronzing product compared to what I wear in foundation. So let me swatch. I'm going to swatch against my Pat McGrath foundation. There we go. A little drop of that. And a little brush to just drag that out. Oh, I might have blended out that swatch too much, but it's fine. So it's a cool toned reddish kind of shade comparison. So you can see this one's very neutral. I'm neutral. And then back here we have this like cooler, darker shade. So that's like the cream contour. And I got their Power Bronzer in Deep. The packaging is very like straight to the point, normal packaging. Nothing I would keep. So this is the Power Bronzer in Deep. Packaging, very cheap feeling. I'm very like into, and it's this kind of cream texture. So I'm just gonna dip my finger into it. Oh, I'm gonna ask my friend if she wants this. I have a friend who I did her makeup a long time ago, and she is this deep. Like she is that. Like she's very deep. This might actually be dark enough for her.
Okay, so voiceover time because the audio from this section is completely impossible. So yeah, it's pretty deep. It's a lot deeper, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the Vision Cream cover first in N8. It's supposed to be neutral undertone. It kind of comes off on a little cool, little, I don't know. It plays with my skin really well as a neutral product, and I have neutral undertone. It was like $5, so this is actually really great if you're looking for like trying to find out what shades your actual foundation match, your contour match. Um, and I just blended it out with this little elf sponge. It's like $6. It's the best sponge on the planet, and you can see it really sculpted my face without really doing too much change to it, which I was like, oh hey, wait, hold on, that's like actually awesome. And you can see I'm even smiling because I'm enjoying it. I also take it on the sides of my nose a little just because I lose the definition of my nose over the course of the day. And I just blended it. And you can see it really sculpted the face and it blended out amazingly, which made me super happy. Um, so that was the power bronzer in deep, which is just it's too deep. Blending it out in my head, you can see it's supposed to blend out relatively well, but I felt like in person on my face, because I'm going to try it now, a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit. Um, I felt like in person I had a hard time blending it out where it wasn't grayish, and I spent a lot of time blending it. As well as you see me in just a moment, I'm going to take my foundation sponge and blend a little bit more foundation on top of it to kind of soften up whatever grayness it did. And then it also just I also was trying to blend out the product so desperately. I kind of got it, I started blending it closer to the center of my face, looked in the mirror, realized that's just not how I wear it. So I just cleaned that off really quick. It's very, snatched, but probably under my foundation would be best. The Vision Cream cover, $5. Like, I'm still in amazement. The last product I ended up getting was the Duet Balm, which is like a face gloss, but it's not very like where it currently touching my face, it's not very sticky. I got clear, like literally the you see the bottom of the pan perfectly clear, and I'm gonna touch it with my fingy so you can see that there is actually a product in there and it's not just an empty pan. Boom, see. And it's really lightweight. I like to apply it with a beauty sponge, and I'm gonna apply it to the high points of my face. Basically where you would normally highlight and everything on your face. And you can see it just gives the face a nice, healthy shine Probably if I got one of the ones with a color in it, you're gonna have to, deal with the color, going with your makeup. I feel this is great for like if I'm wearing makeup that I cannot figure out a highlighter color to, that goes on great. I'm also gonna try on my finger underneath my eyebrow really quick, just to see how it blends out, and you can see that it's just blending out really, really beautifully at this point. I okay, voice over. Okay.
You could get like, you could really like figure it out, and the sample sizes are so inexpensive. Getting a couple of the wrong ones won't set you back too much if you decide to get it. Um, the Dew Balm I feel is my favorite. The Duet Balm is my favorite, especially because the clear. I just look like I'm glowing from within without really doing anything. Like, how can we say no? You know what? I'm gonna do one more extra thing as I talk about the vision, the bronzer, the power bronzer. I just, me and her gotta talk, cause I'm like, I just need to know who told whoever that it was okay to just skip medium deep skin and just make the deep one. The deep one's too deep. Putting it on my eyelids did not do what I thought it was gonna do. I would not do that on top of your, like, a really mobile area like your eyelid. I thought I'd give it some shine, but I feel like it just kind of disrupted all my powder instead. Anyway, I would say that the power bronzer, like, they need a color in between this and medium, because medium looks like a fair medium, skin tone's medium. And then this is like hecka deep, which is beautiful. It's chocolate. It's just, there's no shade. It feels like there's no shade for me because it blends out really nice. But like, I feel like I'm too afraid to go into the product and like play with it. It gave me a contour that I still don't really feel. And I'm not really a big contour person. So, all in all, I would say the power bronzer if you're super deep. And then if you're much fairer than I, the medium. Because I feel like it blended out really nice. I can't really say that it's a bad product. It's just the range. I hope that she expands the range. I feel like her brand is still definitely oriented towards more makeup artists. But like, put a pro membership wall in front then and stop me. Because I'm coming back. But I would say if you had to buy anything, get this. This thing is huge, and I use the very bare minimum. But anyway, if you liked this video of me trying another black-owned brand, you can go ahead and thumbs up. I don't even want to ask all this. But anyway, if you like the video, thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.